All right, so here's our next status update. I don't have the new songs in here yet. That will be next. But basically, now what will happen is that as you press the joystick, it will increment either the first song, it'll play the first song, the second song, or if you press it a third time, it'll play nothing, because this buzzer and playing that sound can get pretty annoying pretty quickly. So here's what that looks like. And I apologize in advance. This Wi-Fi password requesting pops up every 5 seconds. It's very annoying. So right now, the code just started. I have not pressed the button at all. And so right now, it says it's song number 1, but it's actually playing song number 2. It doesn't really matter. But then if I press the button, it should increment up to play the next song. Now let me figure out why the button is not incrementing. Oh, duh, I forgot. It was in the middle of playing the song. So it did work. It's just, it's not going to recognize you're pressing the button until after the song finishes. You just can't hear it right now. So that's what's happening is when I'm pressing the button, it's waiting until that song finishes and then it's going to the next one. So play nothing means it has gotten to that value. So if I keep pressing, once the song finishes, it'll either go to the first song, the second song, or nothing. I may need to turn the buzzers on because I don't know how long these songs are, so I don't know how long I gotta hold this buzzer button to make it increment, but it is actually working. So it played song 2, then it played nothing, so I'm trying to get it to play song 1. I can press this long enough so that it actually gets to there. All right, let's turn the buzzer on so we can see what's going on. And there's that blasted Wi-Fi network thing again. All right, just to test that this is working, I just made up some quick songs. And let's try this again. Okay, that's the intro. Play song 2 is not defined. Okay, hold on. I think this is real world coding in action here. Play intro song. All right, that was play song 1. Now if I press the button, okay, I'm gonna have to print out some code. I don't know what is going on here. All right, to make it consistent with my code, I had to make the input a pull down, not a pull up resistor. So now when I press the button, it reads 1. So if you look here, it plays the intro and then it plays nothing because I haven't pressed the button. So if I come down here and I now press the button, it should go to the second song. I don't know why this delay is so long. Let me take this time sleep out. It's only 100 milliseconds, but it sure does seem to be taking a long time to loop. That buzzer sounds sick. Okay, well, that time.sleep seems to really slow stuff down. So I'm trying to make it read the 1. What is wrong with you, buddy? Why are you not reading anymore?